If you guys are looking for an interesting story, Google wife and Drano, and you'll see the news articles. There is a man who was having stomach problems, and he thought something was going on. So he set up a hidden camera in his kitchen, and in the videos, you can see his wife getting some lemonade and dumping some Drano in his drinks. So, yeah. Imagine what Drano can do to your stomach. I've seen what it does to drains because I've still had to unclog drains after Drano is in them. Not pretty. So, yeah, to have that going down the stomach, look it up, guys. Follow for plumbing and DIY tips.